Right, back live tonight on In Focus. There's been mixed views over Home Affairs' decision to withdraw its cross-appeal application and opting for notice to abide. This means the department will abide by whatever decision the Free State High Court takes in Dr Nandipha Magudumana's leave to appeal the application. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi reports.
Dr Nandipha Magudumana filed an application for leave to appeal after the Free State High Court dismissed her application to have her arrest in April declared unlawful. The Home Affairs Department then initiated a cross-appeal, arguing that the court erred when it made a decision on urgency and some of the merits of the case. It said the court shouldn't have relied on the Mahala case when it dismissed Dr Nandipha Magudumana's application, but should have dismissed it based on the case pleaded by the department. But it has since withdrawn the application, opting to abide by whatever decision that the court takes.
The main reason for the cross-appeal is that they obviously might be happy that the judgment was in their favor. That is one. But the reasons for the judgment might not be what they want. Because, for instance, the judge said the deportation was disguised as an extradition, which means he agrees with the Nandipha's legal team. But if that stands, it means, Nandipha might have a shot of getting freedom if it goes up to even to the Constitutional Court. So I think they fear that she might have a case.
The Home Affairs Department had initially not been added as a respondent to Dr Magudumana's application and demanded that they be joined as a respondent as they participated in bringing convicted murderer Thabo Bester and Magudumana back to South Africa.
The question is, what has changed now? And secondly, if there's something in which the Home Affairs are saying we did everything correctly and according to the book, that particular line of argument should be able to remain with them up until the end. And definitely there are going to be repercussions at the end of the day, because they may even be court orders, regardless of the fact that you have chosen to abide.
Dr Magudumana is of the view that there are prospects of her success in the appeal. She's argued that there are compelling circumstances that warrant the granting of leave to appeal, and those include that consent may be given to unlawful conduct. But what are the prospects of success?
I find it interesting that, Judge Philip Lobser agreed with her that this was a deportation that was disguised as an extradition. I think that gave her what I could say is a leverage to go and fight in another court, because, like we've discussed previously, the consent might have had a problem because you need to know what you're consenting to.
I think that's the ultimate goal in terms of saying don't prosecute me, which is why maybe she's not even applying for bail, because she's gunning for this number one prize that if she's able to win on it, then everything else which would follow from this matter will then will not be utilized. I don't think our courts are going to come to that conclusion. It's a bit of a hard ask to ask a hard request to go to court for, because at the end of the day, you are saying to the court, due to the irregularities that have taken place, disregard whatever elements of criminality that have taken place.
The application for leave to appeal will be heard on Friday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi.